Hello students, today we are going to start a new exercise, that is exercise 9.4. Okay, so in this exercise we'll learn about profit percent or loss percent. So we have already learned about cost price, selling price, profit and loss. So in this exercise we'll learn about how to find out profit percent or loss percent. Okay, so in order to find out that, there are some formulas which we'll be using. Okay, so the first one is profit percent. How to find profit percent? So that is given by profit by CP, that is cost price into 100. Okay, so this same formula you can write in one more way, like profit percent is equal to, see, in place of profit we can write SP minus CP, right? This formula of profit we have already learned in exercise 9.3, that is selling price minus cost price. Okay, so in place of profit you can write this SP minus CP by CP into 100. Okay, so this formula will use like when profit percent is given and we have to find the selling price or cost price. Okay, and the first formula will use to find only profit percent if the profit and CP is given. Okay, so now the third one is loss percent. Loss percent is loss by CP into 100. In other way we can write loss percent is equal to, and in place of loss we can write cost price minus selling price. Okay, this formula I've already learned in exercise 9.3. In place of loss we can write cost price minus selling price. Okay, by CP into 100. So these are the four formulas which we'll use to solve exercise 9.4 questions. Okay, so let us solve question number 2. You refer the question from a textbook. Okay, so it is given that a merchant bought 15 dozen pens at rupees 10 per dozen. He sold them at rupees 1.50 each. Find his profit or loss percent. Okay, so in the question it is given that a merchant bought 15 dozen pens. See, one dozen is equal to 12 units. Okay, that means 1 dozen pens will be 12 pens. Okay, that you have to know. So he bought 15 dozen pens. Okay, at rupees 10 per dozen. So you can write cost price of 1 dozen pen is equal to rupees 10. Okay, he bought 1 dozen pen for rupees 10. So that means he bought 12 pens for rupees 10. Okay, so we have to find the cost price of 15 dozens. So cost price of 15 dozen pens will be, see, 1 dozen pen it costs 10 rupees, so 15 dozen pen will be 10 into 15, right? So rupees 10 into 15, so we'll get rupees 150. Okay, so 15 dozen pen means how much? See, if 1 dozen is 12, so what will be 15 dozen? Or you can write cost price of, so in place of 15 dozen we'll write like how many pens are there. Okay, so you see 15 dozen, so you have to multiply with 12, right? Because 1 dozen is 12, so 15 dozen will be 15 into 12, so that is 180. Okay, if you multiply you'll get 180. So in place of 15 dozen we can write cost of 180 pens. Okay, that is rupees 150. Now next is what? He sold them at rupees 1.50 each. So that means selling price of 1 pen, okay, each is rupees 1.50. So 1 pen he sold at rupees 1.50. So what will be the selling price of 180 pens? That you have to find out. Okay, so selling price of 180 pens, so you just have to multiply this with 180, rupees 1.50 into 180. So if you multiply this you will get rupees 270. Okay, multiplication you do it by yourself. So now you see whether it's a profit or loss. See, he bought 180 pens with rupees 150, right? And then he sold 180 pens with rupees 270. So here you see SP is greater than CP, right? So that means it's a profit. So you can write, since selling price is greater than cost price, so therefore it will be profit, right? And how to find profit? Formula for profit is SP minus CP. So what is the selling price? 270 minus 1. What is the cost price? It is 150. Okay, so 270 minus 150 is 120. So this much he made profit. Now we have to find the profit percent, because it's a profit, so you can find the profit percent. So profit percent, the formula is profit by CP into 100, right? The formula which already given. So now I'll put the values. Profit is 120 and then cost price is 150 into 100. You can cancel this 0 0, then you can cancel this with 3 3 5 are 15, 3 4s are 12. Again you can cancel this, 5 2s are 10, 0. Then 4 into 20, that is 80. So that means the profit percent is 80%. Okay, so this will be the answer.